Hello, this is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. Today, I'm here with a new question from our audience. So let's get started on the question I have here. And the question is, hi, I'm running a Google PMAX. PMAX means Performance Max campaign for a tech company. Okay. So some assets, images, and headlines have low performance, but most of them are good, best with landing page video and form submission to download a guide. Do you recommend me to improve, focus on improving the performance of the assets? What other factors should I focus on? What strategies can I apply to get more form submissions? Okay, so there are a few of the ideas which I recommend people. Okay, for people running with performance mix, I definitely recommend you guys to have more and more assets, media assets, specifically images and videos. Okay, I highly recommend which can grab attention, CTR and attention grabbing one. Okay, because people just seeing and takes the impression or interest out of it. So that is a very good strategy which I recommend you. The second strategy is recommend you to optimize your headlines. Your headlines plays a key crucial role. Again, that also helps you in CTR and grabbing attention as well. So it works with the first option as well. And after this, what the further factors which I recommend people is, like you want more submissions is to create a lead based campaign. Okay, lead based search campaigns. Okay, you can also try this one as well to see if the performance is different from the performance max campaign. I always do say people to do the marketing test as well. After doing this, I also recommend people to do retargeting or remarketing campaigns as well. That also plays a crucial role, because the people who already know or have seen your website, they provide a big impact. And it's a better to target those people than targeting those people who are visiting your website for the first time. So the people who already have visited your website and knows a little bit about you, it's always a better idea to target them. There are various case studies and researches available which actually propagates that the retargeting is a very good way to acquire new customers. So my suggestion is going to be retargeting campaign. Try lead-based campaigns, optimize your headlines, CTR, create assets related to media, images with CTR, intention grabbing. Also, another thing which I can do is install Heatmap and other analytical tools. Okay, this is going to also help you in observing how your users are performing, and they also help people with click fraud as well. So these kind of strategies also helps. But in case if you're looking for a professional audit or a deep audit of your account or campaigns, me and my team can definitely help you and do a deep audit of your Google Ads account. What you can do is you can hire us through the link in the description, and we can help you make sure to create an awesome Google Ads campaign, or we can edit your existing accounts as well, depending on whatever you are going to offer. So I hope this answers your question. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, guys get a notification regarding this. So yeah, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.